Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to compare the RAM availability between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by plenty of subscribers asking me to make a video. How much RAM will be available if you're not trying to use any other applications in the background? So this is what this video is about, friend. Let's see how much the RAM is available, and both models are completely 8GB RAM variants only, and the Realme X1 Max has got the 8GB plus 5GB variant, as you can see exactly. And right now you can actually see this kind of RAM availability by going to the settings option in both phones. And in the Realme X1 Max you can actually see in the home screen as well, as you can see in the multitasking menu, but still there is an option which is called the developer options. Inside the developer option there is a folder which is available for the memory section. As you can see here, we can actually see clearly what is available and how much is used and everything. Let me try to show you the same thing in the OnePlus Nord 2. So I just want to compare side by side how much the difference will be there between both phones if you're not trying to use any kind of background applications or nothing at all. As you can see friends, this much of average memory is used between both phones. So when there is no background applications running at all in the back, as you can see, there is no live wallpaper, nothing is running. And 4.57 GB is used and 3.97 GB is used. You can see the difference, and available is 3.31 GB, availability is 3.93 GB. Of RAM in the Realme X1 Max without using any kind of thing, as you can see friends. And now what I'll try to do, I'll try to restart the phone. Let's see what happens if I try to restart the device, whether the RAM management will be better or not, better than before. That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video. So right now the Realme X1 Max 3 has got 3.97 and the OnePlus Nord has got 4.57. Let's see what happens next after the restart. 3.97 and 4.57. So this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare what is the RAM availability. That is the reason I'm trying to do. This is a basic thing. So if you're not trying to use any applications in the background, out of 8GB, how much the user will be getting? So that's what the clear question is. Let's see. We'll get to know in this video. 4.57, 3.97. And after the restart, let's see what happens. Right now both phones are completely done restarting, as you can see exactly. I'm trying to clear the Wi-Fi and everything, all the connection. And now let's go to the same kind of options which are the developer options. Let's see what happens now in the developer options in the memory segment. And 4.21 GB and 3.92 GB slightly got improved in the OnePlus Nord 2 after the restart. Before, the Realme X1 Max has got 3.97, and the OnePlus Nord has got 4.57 GB. But right now it decreased to 4.21 GB is used at this moment, as you can see, without even using any kind of background applications, nothing at all, just only this phone. And right now availability of the total RAM is close to 3.67 GB is available and 3.98 GB is available in the Realme X1 Max. But one more thing, if you try to check it, this one in the multitasking here, it shows 4.40 GB is available out of 8 plus 5 GB RAM. As you can see, slightly inconsistent. Here it shows 4 GB, but here it shows 4.45 GB. I'm not sure how, but still I just want to inform you this thing as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and this is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the RAM availability without using any kind of applications. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile, signing off. Bye.